What if instead of handing off the controls to some big machines, we complement those with some personal comfort systems and autonomy, and we think about conditioning people rather than space? Do you all care what the temperature of the corner of the room is? No, we're trying to keep our bodies comfortable. What if the chair I'm sitting in has heating and cooling in the seat and the back? That's something CBE is developing. I don't really care what the room is like, and maybe my neighbor wants something completely different than me. It's about keeping people comfortable. So the same way we've had the ideas of task ambient lighting are in all office buildings, right? Keep the ambient lights low and then give everybody a task light on their desk that they can use when and where they want it. Are you doing paper-based work? Or are you looking at a computer screen? What if thermal conditioning followed the same principles of this task ambient split, and you let the broader environment and circulation spaces vary over a wider range? You save a lot of energy, and then you supplement that with personal comfort systems so that I can have heating or cooling when and where I want it, and it satisfies my own preferences rather than imagining that we all feel alike and giving everybody the same conditions all the time.